Alright guys, so I'm doing this quick install on my lights. As you guys saw when I did the unboxing, I actually just installed this one. So that is the new one that I installed, and this is the one that is still kind of the old OEM dual one. Now to install it, you do need to remove the bumper. It helps. I mean, you kind of need to, because you need to get to the bolt that's down here and the bolt that's back here. So, and then these top ones easily, of course, and then you just kind of wiggle it out. And there it is. Now all you have to do is twist this off, and this one's kind of tricky, but all you have to do is kind of wiggle it as well. There you go. It's kind of just old, and I don't know if that's some sort of glue or whatnot, but so there it is. Go ahead and remove that, and then you go ahead and grab your new one. I'll put the link in the description where I bought these. These were $60 for both of them. The box says Eagle Eyes, and it has this little logo on the lens, but the website itself where I got it from was am-auto. So I'll put the link in the description below if you guys want to get a pair of these. I mean, compared to the other one, I mean the fitment for being aftermarket, yeah, it's not the best, but it works. And for $60 to make your kind of upgrade your lights is well worth it in my eyes. But again, that all depends on your budget and how much you're willing to spend on your little project. So okay, and then with the twist, that one's back in. Now this, you have to remove that and get the bulb. If you want to put new bulbs in, this would be a good time. You just push on this. It doesn't want to cooperate with me, but all you do is push this little pin down and then move it to the side like. Come on, my friend. I can't get it. So if the little pin is giving you a hard time, what you can do is just unscrew the little hole, the little screw that holds that bracket in place, and that just pops right off. And there's your lamp. Now I think I do have new ones of these, but I'm probably just gonna install them later. Just kind of excited with this. And then this same thing right here, you move this you push this pin in and opens up like that. Open that up out of the way, and then you stick your bulbs in here. Come on. There you go. Okay, and then it goes like that. So the bulb is in, and then same thing, you grab this little pin, push it down, and there it's locked into place. So now you got to plug it in here. So now you plug it in here, just like that. Oh, we forgot the little boot actually. So even though it's aftermarket, it did come with the little boot. So that's kind of, you know, it fits in just how you need it to. Kind of just press it in. Okay. There, that's all good. Now you kind of stick it back how it came out, which is kind of, I would also recommend to move this film out of the way that you have the opportunity, otherwise it kind of gets stuck if your hands are dirty. I probably should have been wearing gloves for this, but I kind of started the job without gloves, so now it's kind of pointless to get some gloves. However, just try to wipe my hands, get all the grease off my hands. And then kind of just how it came out, so bottom first. Okay, and then that's it. That's perfect. Okay, and then kind of just thread your bolts down to kind of hold it in place, and then kind of just readjust everything before you tighten it down. So there's that bolt right there. This bolt right here. Again, it kind of helps if you hold it up from the bottom. Okay, there it is, and then you just got those two last corner ones, which is one down here. Okay, and then I feel like you kind of need to put them all, kind of get them threaded with your hand before you start tying stuff down, just to kind of correct the angle of how you want it. Because again, these aren't OEM, so the fitment on them is not the best, but it works. It works for me. And this is my again, this is my little project car that I'm working on. So for me, I think if I kind of just hold it like that and then tighten it down. Again, the fitment on them is not the best kind of fitment, but you get what you pay for, so. So that's that. And then now just this corner one. So see, the gaps is not the best just because of how it kind of pops out. But once I throw the bumper back on, we'll see how it all plays out. So stick with me for a moment here. All we gotta do is lift that bumper back up like that. Okay, and that's what it looks like. So, I mean, look at the difference on those versus these over here. And these are just old and yellow. So definitely they look the same. I feel like for 60 bucks is not a bad bargain. But it's really up to you guys, like I said, whatever you guys want to spend on your car. But I'm definitely happy with them, so I'll put the link in the description below if you guys want to take a look at where I bought them. And I'm just going to tighten everything down. And actually, too, I want to show you guys the back lights, because I did install these back ones too. But these were off the junkyard, but they're I basically got these, and then it just gets rid of the orange pieces that it has here. It's just this big orange piece, because this is actually white from factory, but it gets rid of this orange piece, so it kind of just makes everything look so much better, and I like that. So thank you guys for watching.